Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at CVS to do my second trip. So on this trip, I'm going to basically use CRTs that are just sitting there. I get them every single week and never use them. So I'm going to try to put them to good use to see what deals I can find with them. So let's go in store. I'm going to show you guys a couple of deals. I will do some of the deals and basically get in the car and show you guys what I got. I am going to try to record in store, but it looks pretty busy. There's like a lot of cars, so I'm thinking it's busy in there. I don't know, but let's see what happens if I take pictures or if I have time to actually record the deals in store. Now, I do have some CRTs. I have no paper manufacturer coupons. I'm going to try to use coupons that are in our digital app, especially for like the toothpaste deals, because there are some okay deals for toothpaste this week. And it's the ones that are like really high-end toothpaste. So let's see what I find in store, and let's see how much my total will be. Now, I know that on this card it's already I believe $11 moneymaker on Sunday with the last two transactions that I discussed with you guys. So I have $11. I did get my beauty bucks. I got a $9 beauty buck. And yeah, let's go inside and see what I find. Okay, so we have two different promotions for Crest this week. So the first promotion is to spend $12, get $4 in extra bucks. So you're going to pick up one of the Crest gum for $6.99. And you're going to pick up one of the Crest Therapy for $6.99 on sale. So both of them will be totaled at $13.98. You're going to use a $3 off one digital coupon for the Crest Gum and a $3 off one digital coupon for the Crest Therapy. So the total works out to $7.98, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck for spending $12 before coupons. So it works out to $3.98 for both of them, or $1.99 each. The next promotion we have in Crest, and Burt's Bee is included in this. They're buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and this deal is a limit of 2, and it includes some of the Crest twin packs. So basically, you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck. In this case, we're buying 2 of them, and they're on sale for $4.99. So you're going to pick up 2 of them, one of the Burt's Bees, one of the twin pack, for $9.98. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Burt's Bee and a $2 digital coupon for the Crest Twin Packs. So the total works out to $5.98, but you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks for doing that deal twice. So it works out to $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. So I combine both Crest promotions together because I have a 4 over 14 Crest CRT as well as a $3 off teeth whitening kit or treatment CRT. Now we have issues with that $3 CRT. I throw it in there to see what happens and to see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'll be prepared with a $3 extra buck just in case. But sometimes it works and sometimes it don't work, as well as that 4 for 14 Crest. I've had a lot of issues in the past with it, but I'm going to throw it in there. Since we're picking up the more expensive Crest, those are $8.49 each. Let's see what happens. So the total before coupons for all 4 products is going to be $23.96. Now to use that 4 for 14, we had to spend $14 in Crest products. With the 3 Crest products we have there alone, it's $18.97. So we met the requirements for that coupon. So the total after coupons for all 4 is going to be $13.96. We're going to use that 4 for 14 CRT as well as that $3 off CRT. Fingers crossed it does work. So if everything works, the total will work out to $6.96, but you're going to get back $8 in extra bucks because we did the spend 12, get 4, and the buy 1, get 2 that we did twice. So we got back 4 for that. So it works out to be free plus a $104 moneymaker. So hopefully that $3 off does work at the register. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on Cetaphil wipes. So I only need $6.78, something like that, to hit beauty. So this will definitely make me hit beauty within this transaction. So this is not giving back any extra bucks, and you can find these in the travel section. Now I have a 5 over 2 any Cetaphil product, and I get that coupon every single week and never use it. So I'm definitely going to use it on these. Hopefully they work for them because there's no stipulations on that CRT saying excludes travel size or anything like that. So we're going to try to use it to see what happens. So these are priced at $3.49 each. I picked up 2 of them for $6.98. I'm going to use that 5 off of 2 CRT making the total $1.98 or 99 cents each. So I'll definitely hit beauty with this because the total before coupons is going to be $6.98 for both of them. So I'll definitely get a $3 beauty buck for this. Always take into consideration how much you need to hit beauty to try to incorporate that in your deals. So I made sure I checked that before I went in store, and I knew I needed $6.70 something cents. That definitely brought me to the mark that I needed to hit towards beauty. So the last deal I'm going to do is on these loofahs here. So these are priced at $2.99 and they're buy one get one free this week, and they're also 2 for $5. So basically you're going to pick up 3 of them for $2.50 and you're going to pick up 3 of them for free. So for 3 of them it'll be $7.50. I have a $2 off 3 for Poufs and a $1 off 2 CRT for Poufs. So after the CRTs, the total will work out to $4.50 or 75 cents each for all 6 loofahs. So that is a really good deal if you guys have those CRTs available for the loofahs, and it's the 360 loofahs. Again, buy one get one free, and when you buy 2 it becomes $5, so they're going to be $2.50 each, making them 75 cents each after those 2 great CRTs. Okay guys, so here goes the first transaction. I only needed $6.78 to hit beauty. So I picked up the Burt's Bees and the Crest with Scope twin packs. Those are on sale for $4.99 once again, and when you buy 2 you get 4. Then I picked up the Crest 3D White Therapy as well as the Crest Gum Enamel. Those are $6.99 each, making it spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. Then I bought the Cetaphil 10 count wipes. They're $3.49. I picked up 2 of those. And then the Beauty 360 Poufs, they're buy one get one free and 2 for $5. So 3 of them became $2.50 and 3 of them became free. Now the women's ones are the only ones that are 2 for $5. On my other card, I did pick up the men's ones, and those are not 2 for $5, but they are buy one get one free. I'm going to show you that in the receipt soon. So 3 of them became free. So my total before coupons is $38.44. I used that $3 off for the Crest 3D White Toothpaste digital coupon. I used that $3 off for the Crest Gum digital coupon. I had the $2 Burt's Bees digital coupon and the $2 off for the Crest Twin Packs digital coupon. I used a 5 over 2 Cetaphil CRT, went through with no issues. There was no stipulations on that travel size wasn't included. So that worked out super well. I had the 4 for 14 Crest CRT. I had the $3 off teeth whitening CRT, and that went through with no issues. So I think it's because I picked up one of the expensive ones. Though those were originally $11.49, the Crest 3D White Therapy. So that went through with no issues. I just throw things in there to see what happens. If they didn't take it, I'll be prepared with extra bucks. But it did work through with no issues. I had the 2 off of 3 Pouf CRT and the 1 off of 2 Pouf CRT. And that's including the Beauty 360 Poufs. I had a $9 extra buck and a $4 extra buck. The $9 extra buck was a beauty buck, and beauty bucks usually count towards the tax. So the total was 44 cents, and I got back $8 in extra bucks for the buy 2 get 4 for the Burt's Bees and the Crest 3D White Twin Pack, and I got back $4 in extra bucks for the Crest 3D White Therapy and the Crest Gum Enamel. So I only needed $6.78 to hit beauty. I don't know if the Poufs count towards beauty, but I do know that the Cetaphil will count towards beauty. So I will get back a $3 beauty buck, and I took a loss of $2 in extra bucks because I used $13 in extra bucks. I got back 8 extra bucks for the deals, and I got back a $3 beauty buck. So that's a $2 loss in extra bucks, which I think was worth it with the items that we did get. So the deal I'm super excited about has to be the Poufs because that's something we don't get at CVS, and they're pretty good quality. So now I'm going to show you guys the second transaction with the men's Poufs. So for the second transaction, I did this on another card. The men's Poufs are $2.99, and basically they're buy one get one free, but they're not 2 for $5. So I picked up 3 of them for $2.99. 3 of them became free. So the total worked out to $8.97. I used the 2 off of 3 CRT and the 1 off of 2 CRT. Remember, guys, this is from another account. Total works out to $5.97. I wrote $6 in beauty bucks for this, and my total was 0 out of pocket for it because the beauty bucks did count towards the tax. So now I'm going to show you guys my receipts. Okay guys, so I'm back from CVS and everything worked out pretty well. Even my $3 off whitening CRT went through with no issues. So like I say, CVS sometimes is just weird. Like that 4 for 14 usually wasn't going through. Now all of a sudden the 4 for 14 is working. And you guys are going to see in the receipt that it says P&G coupon. It doesn't say off of Crest oral care items. So super weird. It never used to read like that, but that went through. And my $3 whitening CRT. So I did pick up the higher end products. So those toothpaste that you saw in there for $6.99, those are originally $8.49. I don't know if it was because of that it went through, but they did go through. So now I'm going to show you both of my receipts. I did 2 different transactions. So in my second card, I had the CRTs for the Poufs, and I did it on that transaction. But the men's is not 2 for $5. Only the women's Poufs are 2 for $5. So I'm going to show you the difference in receipts with those deals. And yeah, let me show you guys my receipt. Okay, so you see there the Burt's Bees, they're on sale for $4.99. The Crest Twin Pack is $4.99. That Crest 3D Therapy was $6.99, and the Crest Repair is $6.99. There goes the loofahs right there, the Poufs. So 3 of them became $2.49. You see the 49 cents that it took off, $2.50 actually for 3 of them, and then 3 of them were free. There goes the Cetaphil 10 count, $3.49, $3.49, and those do count towards beauty. Okay, let's look at the coupons I had. So I had all digital coupons for the Crest items as well as the Burt's Bee. So I had a $3 for the, that's not actually the right one, that attached to the Crest with scope, but that was actually for the Crest 3D White Therapy. And then I had the $3 off for the Crest Gum, and then the $3 off for the Twin Pack for Crest, as well as the Burt's Bee $2 off. I used that 5 off of 2. For the Cetaphil, I used a 4 for 14 P&G Oral Care. So it never used to say that before, but I guess they coded it differently that now it's working all of a sudden. But I did have issues with that CRT in the past. $3 off teeth whitening went through with no issues. I used that 2 over 3 Beauty 360 for the loofahs, and the $1 off 2 for the loofahs. I rolled in a $9 beauty buck as well as a $4 extra buck. My total was 44 cents. I had a tax of $1.65, making it $2.09. As you guys see here, I need $6.78 to hit beauty, so I'm definitely going to hit beauty with the Cetaphil. I don't know if the Poufs do count towards beauty. I'm not too sure, but I'll definitely let you guys know. And there goes that $4 in extra bucks for the Crest deal when you buy 2. What is this? Yeah, when you buy 2. Okay. And then I got the spend 12, get 4. So there goes the $4 extra bucks for that. And then there goes my $9 extra buck that I got from Sunday's deals. So yeah, guys, I'm going to show you guys my second receipt with the men's loofahs to show you guys the difference. So here goes the second receipt. They were $2.99 for 3 of them. 3 of them became free. They're not 2 for $5. I used that $2 off 3. And that $1 off 2. I rolled a $6 beauty buck for this. It took off $5.97 and it covered my tax. So you guys see in the bottom here, I try to use $4 in extra buck, $2 extra bucks, because I thought it would be $4.50 because I thought they were part of the 2 for $5, and it wasn't. So basically she took those 2 out and put the $6 in beauty bucks in, because I would have had a balance of $1.98 plus tax, and I didn't want to balance. So I just switched out my $6, my $2 extra bucks, sorry about that, with my $6 extra bucks. So there you go, total was $0. And for beauty here, I only need $3.10. So if these count towards beauty, that'll be a plus. I'll get a $3 beauty buck, but if not, that's okay. I'll hit beauty next week. So now, before I end this video, I wanted to let you guys know that some twin packs, the twin 3D packs for Crest, are $6.99. So don't get them confused. Make sure you scan them in the app to see which ones is included in the deals, just in case your store is not tagged. So some of them are priced for $4.99. That was the Crest with Scope twin packs. But there are other ones that are part of the other promotion for spend 12, get 4. And those are $6.99. I believe it's the Crest 3D twin pack. So don't get confused with the deals. They're 2 separate deals. Also included in that $6.99 deal is going to be the toothbrushes, the Oral-B toothbrushes. It's the mechanical one. So basically there is a $2 off in the app for that as well. So if you wanted to pick that up, you definitely could. Or you can stick to the toothpastes that are giving $3 off with the app. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.